small. So bright.
I'm just waiting for the fire department to show up.
Oh, that's so hard, yeah. No, like, don't you agree? It's like kind of weird in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it's good. I don't know what my
Videotape.
Hey,
So Charlie,
yeah,
Yeah, it stinks. It smells like burnt rubber and tire and exhaust. It stinks.
that's probably what
you probably set off a smoke
It
detector.
smells like car exhaust.
I wouldn't be surprised if that actually.
Well, Miss Madge just said it's not a drill. They had a drill scheduled for tomorrow at 8:30.
Yeah, if we're missing science time, I'm not complaining.
Oh, there's some people.
Hi, Miss B.
Hi, how are you?
We're good.
Should I stay for fire drill?
Apparently this isn't a drill. And Miss Madge said there was one scheduled tomorrow at 8:30, but
That's
not
what I
today.
thought. Yeah, and there's supposed to be one surprise one as well, so it may be a drill.